Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities and we'll share multiple job opportunities in detail with you. So the very first job opportunity is with one of the company which is in Kochi, and they are hiring for junior Python developer, junior Node.js developer, that is freshers, this absolutely for freshers, and QA professional, that is for 1 to 2 years of experience. So they are looking in the QA with respect to someone who has hands-on experience in manual and automation testing, strong in QA concepts, skilled at test plans, and experience with vendor third-party apps, detail-oriented with strong communication skills. So timings are given. It would be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Immediate joiners are preferred, and you can send your resume to these two email addresses. Then L&T Technology Services, they are having an off-campus drive. So the application deadline is 30th of September. It is for engineers. CTC would be 4 lakh per annum. Training period is up to 15 months. First 3 months, it would be classroom training with a stipend of 25,000 per month. And next 12 months, it will be on-job training as associate engineer. So the drive locations are also mentioned. Which are Mysore, Vadodara, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, and Delhi. And this is the link on which you can apply. So don't worry, I'm putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video, so it becomes easier for you to apply. Then SecurityBoat is hiring, so they are looking for QA testers, and the responsibilities are given: develop and execute test cases, plans, and Cypress automation scripts, perform functional regression, integration, and UAT testing, identify and track defects, collaborate with developers and product managers on quality standards, conduct API testing, and the requirements is 6 months to 1 year of experience, strong knowledge of SDLC, STLC, and you can apply the Selenium itself. Then there's a requirement for manual testers who have experience in the general insurance domain with Indian clients. And the job location will be Hyderabad, and experience of the candidate should be between 2 to 4 years. So if you are interested, who is looking for such an opportunity, then do share your resume at this particular email. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned.